Hello everyone, my name is Taryn, and today we're going to detail the Tesla Model X. So today we're going to also clean interior and exterior, rims and tires, and at the same day we're going to do the polishing and the ceramic coating. So as you can see right now, so here's a very dusty and the seats needs to be cleaned. There's some garbage. So this one is gonna be, we're gonna do the shampoo the seats and shampoo the carpets, and also we're gonna wet it down everything, and we're gonna put the leather seat wiper, make it nice and shine. So let's see how it goes. Right now, as you can see, I already finished all the vacuum. So let's open the door. I can see the seats is already, most of all the dust is already came out, and under the carpet is already vacuumed, including the carpet mats. So right now, the most important, we're going to use the all-purpose and a brush and a microfiber. We're going to start to wipe it down everything I see. Insides are already done. We shampoo the seats, we shampoo the steering wheel, we wipe down all the dust. So inside is mostly done, but we are not done yet. But right now we're going to start to doing the outside. We are going to spray the all-purpose in the door jamb. Every single door jamb we're going to spray it, and then after that we're going to use a power wash to spray all the door jamb. Of course, and later I'm going to show you how to clean the rims, and the rims I'm going to spray the rim cleaner. It's a very strong, so we'll get the job done. We're going to do it right now.